Alright, so I might have to make this quick right here, but here we have 2 Daikin units right here at a nursing home that my grandmother goes into for now. Kinda looks like they're brand new units. There's a unit right there that's noisy, I think. Give me a minute. Okay. My battery's low, by the way, so I'm gonna have to make this one more quicker. 2017 5-ton. Yeah, these are brand new, as you can see. The 2018 5-ton. This is a complete brand new. And all the way over here, I'm not entirely sure what the heck this is. Looks like a pool heat pump or some sort. But yeah, I'm gonna have to make this quick right now. It's an AT, I'm not sure. Alright, so yeah, 2 brand new 2018 and 2017 Daikin 5-ton 13 SEER Central Air conditioners. It's over and out.